Hello everyone, we meet again. This time, we will explore the top 7 foods that can help prevent and fight cancer cells. Keys to golden health. Cancer is becoming one of the greatest challenges to human health today. However, in addition to modern treatments, a scientific diet also plays a crucial role in preventing and supporting cancer treatment. Research has shown that some foods contain powerful nutrients and compounds that can reduce the risk of cancer and even kill cancer cells. This video will explore 7 golden foods that you should prioritize adding to your daily diet to enhance your ability to prevent and fight cancer. 1. Broccoli. The superhero sulforaphane. Broccoli tops the list thanks to the compound sulforaphane. When you chew broccoli, glucosinolates are converted into sulforaphane. This substance has the ability to inhibit the growth of cancer cells, promote the self-destruction of cancer cells, apoptosis, and eliminate carcinogens. Sulforaphane has also been shown to be able to target and kill cancer stem cells, the stubborn cells responsible for the growth and spread of cancer. Mechanism of action. Sulforaphane acts on many different molecular pathways in cancer cells, including inhibiting enzymes necessary for cancer cell growth and activating proteins that promote apoptosis. Scientific research. Many studies have shown that broccoli helps reduce the risk of colorectal, prostate, and breast cancer. Recommendation. To maximize benefits, eat broccoli regularly, steamed, boiled, or stir-fried. However, be careful not to overcook to retain the maximum sulforaphane content. 2. Berries, a treasure trove of antioxidants. Berries are a rich source of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and phytochemicals. They help neutralize free radicals, prevent oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and induce apoptosis. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, cranberries all have their own benefits in cancer prevention. Mechanism of action. The antioxidants in berries help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, while phytochemicals can act on signaling pathways in cancer cells, inhibiting their growth and spread. Typical berries and benefits. Blueberries help reduce the risk of breast, colon, and prostate cancer. Strawberries, rich in vitamin C and ellagic acid, which have strong anti-cancer properties. Raspberries contain many antioxidants and phytochemicals, which have the ability to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Cranberries help reduce the risk of bladder, prostate, and breast cancer. Recommendation. Enjoy fresh or frozen berries. Add them to smoothies, yogurt, or eat as a dessert. 3. Garlic, weapon allicin. Garlic is not only a familiar spice but also a powerful weapon in the fight against cancer. Garlic contains bioactive compounds such as allicin, agein, and diallyl disulfide. They inhibit the growth of cancer cells, reduce inflammation, protect against oxidative stress, enhance immune function, and prevent the formation of blood vessels that feed tumors. Allicin is one of the most powerful compounds, capable of killing cancer cells and preventing their spread. Mechanism of action. The compounds in garlic can act on many different mechanisms, including inhibiting the growth of cancer cells, reducing inflammation, enhancing the body's immune capacity, and preventing the formation of new blood vessels to feed the tumor. Recommendation. To maximize benefits, eat raw garlic or add it to daily dishes. However, be aware that allicin is easily broken down by heat, so eating raw garlic is the best way to absorb this substance. 4. Turmeric, star curcumin. Turmeric has long been used in traditional medicine for its excellent healing properties. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant, which has the ability to inhibit the growth and spread of cancer cells, reduce inflammation, protect cells from oxidative damage, and induce apoptosis. Curcumin has been shown to be effective in preventing and supporting the treatment of many different cancers, including breast, prostate, lung, colon, and pancreatic cancer. Mechanism of action. Curcumin can act on many different signaling pathways in cancer cells, inhibiting growth, metastasis, and promoting the self-destruction of cancer cells. Recommendation. For best absorption of curcumin, combine turmeric with black pepper, as piperine and black pepper will help enhance the body's ability to absorb curcumin. You can use turmeric in cooking or drink turmeric tea. 5. Green tea, essence catechin. Green tea is not only a refreshing drink, but also a natural medicine that helps prevent cancer. Green tea is rich in catechins, especially EGCG. They have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-angiogenic effects, and induce apoptosis. Green tea can also support cancer treatment by enhancing the effectiveness of chemotherapy and radiation therapy. Mechanism of action. Catechins in green tea have the ability to inhibit the growth of cancer cells, prevent the formation of new blood vessels, and promote the self-destruction of cancer cells. Recommendation: drink green tea daily and choose pure, unsweetened green tea for maximum benefit. 6. Tomatoes power lycopene. Tomatoes are a rich source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. Lycopene inhibits the growth of cancer cells, causes cell death, and prevents the formation of blood vessels that feed tumors. Tomatoes are particularly effective in preventing prostate cancer. Mechanism of action. Lycopene has the ability to neutralize free radicals, protect DNA from damage, and inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Recommendation: eating raw, cooked tomatoes, or drinking tomato juice all provide benefits. However, lycopene is more easily absorbed when tomatoes are cooked, especially when combined with olive oil. 7. Nuts and seeds, diverse nutrient source. Nuts and seeds are not only a delicious snack, but also a treasure trove of nutrients that help prevent cancer. They contain many antioxidants, phytochemicals, and fiber. They have anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, and anti-proliferative effects. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds are all great choices. Mechanism of action. Nuts and seeds provide many nutrients and compounds that are beneficial for health, including cancer prevention. Fiber helps maintain a healthy digestive system. Antioxidants protect cells from damage, and phytochemicals can act on signaling pathways in cancer cells. Recommendation: eat nuts and seeds as a snack or add them to daily dishes. Important advice: consult your doctor before changing your diet, especially if you're being treated for an illness. Eat a varied diet to ensure you get enough nutrients. Listen to your body and stop eating if you have side effects. Remember, a healthy diet and lifestyle are key to maintaining good health and reducing the risk of cancer. This video is for informational purposes only and does not replace the advice of a healthcare professional. In addition to the 7 superfoods above, you should also note: maintain a healthy weight. Overweight and obesity increase the risk of many cancers. Exercise regularly. Exercise helps strengthen the immune system and reduce the risk of cancer. Limit alcohol and tobacco. These are the leading risk factors for cancer. Get regular health checkups. Early detection of cancer signs increases the chance of a cure. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. By building a healthy, scientific diet and a positive lifestyle, you have equipped yourself with a solid shield to fight cancer and protect your golden health. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos about health. Leave a comment below if you have any questions related to this topic.